Good morning, dear students. I am Ms. Vandana Pai. In today's lecture of the subject service marketing, okay, we will be discussing service failure. Okay, what is failure? Okay, why we are considering this? See, whenever we consider production of or distribution of service, okay, or if a company thinks about, okay, conducting business into services, okay, they should be keenful, they should be careful while doing this. Why? Because, okay, whenever we consider service, okay, your service can go smoothly, or it might not lead into satisfaction which is expected by the customer. Okay, see, the customer needs something, okay, the customer needs something, and okay, as per the needs of the customer, if you fail to impart service, okay, if you fail to impart service, then what will happen? Yes, it will result into service failure. Okay, so let's see what is service failure. Okay, we will be going through different reasons for the service failure. Okay, see, every efforts should be made to develop an appropriate service. However, it is not always possible that the service or product would be successful. The success or failure, the success or failure of a product or service, okay, it depends upon a number of other forces which are dynamic in nature and changes time to time and situation to situation. बघा काय होतं जेव्हा आपण सर्व्हिसेसचा विचार करतो, ओके, सर्व्हिसेस युनिफॉर्मिंगली प्रत्येक वेळीस दिले जातील असं नाही, कारण की सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडरवरती ते डिपेंडेंट असतात. ओके, आणि जेव्हा आपण सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर्सचा विचार करतो तेव्हा बरेचसे फोर्सेस असतात, बरेचसे फॅक्टर्स असतात जे त्याच्यावरती इम्पॅक्ट करत असतात. ओके, सो वॉट एव्हर द मेथड्स ऑफ सर्व्हिस डिझाईन इज अडॉप्टेड अ स्पेसिफिक सर्व्हिस मॅप or a concept service map, one of the main aims will be to identify the potential points in the process which may result in a service failure. It is probably possible that at some time either result service failure. Okay, therefore efforts should be made to anticipate these occasions well in advance so that mistakes could be prevented from turning into a service defect and also a service failure. In this way, a service design can also be justified. Okay, an organization should always try to identify those critical aspects which may result in service failure. Okay, see, every organization they should be thinking about the factors which might convert your service delivery into service failure. Okay, so once these aspects have been identified, it can be helpful to design the mechanism as to reduce the risk of human mistakes turning into actual service failures. Okay, see what happens, okay, see, due to human errors, because whenever we consider service, okay, most of the time human element is involved in service delivery. Okay, and due to human errors, human mistakes, okay, your service delivery process, it might go fail. Okay, service delivery process जी आहे ती फेल जाऊ शकते. So as old people say, okay, prevention is better than cure. Okay, बघा, सर्व्हिस डिलिव्हरी केल्यानंतर फेल होण्याआधीच काही मेजर्स आपण घेतले तर काय होईल? ओके, प्रिव्हेन्शन इज बेटर दॅन क्युअर. इज इट? दस सर्व्हिस फेल्युअर इज द एंड रिझल्ट ऑफ ऑल द अनवॉन्टेड थिंग्स अँड मिस्टेक्स मेड बाय अदर पार्टी, वेदर ही इज कस्टमर or server. Customer errors can be classified as relating to preparation for service provider, the encounter itself, or to the resolution of the encounter. Okay, preparation errors may result from the failure of customers to bring the necessary materials to the encounter or to understand their roles in the service encounter. Okay, बघा, बोथ वे होऊ शकतं. आयदर द पार्टी हू इज डिलिव्हरिंग द सर्विस they might not deliver it properly, or the customer, okay, while receiving that service, okay, there might be some errors into it. ओके, बघा प्रिपरेशन एरर्स, एन्काउंटर एरर्स आणि रिझॉल्युशन एरर्स असे 3 प्रकारचे एरर्स असतात. ओके, कस्टमर एरर्समध्ये 3 प्रकारचे एरर असतात. प्रिपरेशन एरर्स, एन्काउंटर एरर्स आणि रिझॉल्युशन एरर्स. ओके, काय असतं ते बघूया आपण. प्रिपरेशन एरर्स म्हणजे काय? ओके, द रिझल्ट फ्रॉम द फेल्युअर ऑफ द कस्टमर टू ब्रिंग द नेसेसरी मटेरियल्स टू द एन्काउंटर. ओके, सर्व्हिस एन्काउंटर म्हणून आपण बघितलेलं आहे बघा एक कन्सेप्ट. ओके, काय सर्व्हिस एन्काउंटर, काय बघितलं होतं आपण सर्व्हिस एन्काउंटर ह्या कन्सेप्टमध्ये? येस. ओके, सी whenever your customer comes in contact with the service provider, okay, the perception or his viewpoint itself is service encounter, right? ओके, बघा काय वेळेस काय होऊ शकतं, कस्टमर इज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टँड द रोल ऑफ द सर्व्हिस एन्काउंटर. ओके, ही कॅन मिस्टेकनली टेक what's ever happens at the time of service encounter. Okay, then encounter errors include failure of customer to remember steps in the service process, to follow the system flow, or to specify desired or follow instructions. बघा, for example, okay, if you are using ATM card, okay, if you are using ATM card, okay, and you want to withdraw कॅश फ्रॉम द ATM. ओके, काय प्रोसेस असते बघा. ओके, पहिल्यांदा तुम्ही जाता त्या स्पेसिफिक बँकेच्या ATMमध्ये जाता, किंवा बाकीच्या बँकेच्या ATMमध्ये सुद्धा तुम्ही जाऊ शकता. ओके, गेल्याबरोबर काय करता? ओके, पहिल्यांदा कार्ड स्वाईप करता, किंवा आत्ता नवीन जी फॅसिलिटी आहे, यू आर सपोज टू डिपॉझिट इन दॅट, राईट, you are supposed to insert the card in the card slot provided there. ओके, आणि पूर्ण ट्रान्झॅक्शन होतोपर्यंत तुम्ही ते विड्रॉ करू शकत नाही कार्ड. ओके, नाव आफ्टर दॅट, ओके, दे आस्क यू फॉर पिन, ऑर many of the time what happens, they ask you to choose the language. ओके, इंग्लिश किंवा मराठी किंवा हिंदी, इंग्लिश और हिंदी अशा प्रकारे ऑप्शन्स तुमच्या डोळ्यासमोर येतात त्या स्क्रीनवरती. ओके, यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू सिलेक्ट इट. ओके, आफ्टर दॅट बरेचसे ऑप्शन्स असतात, तिथं कुठेतरी कॅश विड्रॉवल असं दिसतं. ओके, त्याच्यावरती टिक केल्यानंतर आपण काय करतो, सेविंग्स, करंट, यापैकी ऑप्शन चूज करतो. आणि लाईकवाईज नंतर अमाऊंट भरतो किती हवी ती. ओके, आणि नंतर मग दे आस्क यू फॉर पिन. ओके, किंवा एखाद्या वेळेस आधी पिन विचारतात, काय वेळेस नंतर पिन विचारतात. नाव दिस इज द प्रोसिजर, राईट? ओके, दिस इज अ प्रोसिजर. आफ्टर दॅट, ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल समजा तुम्ही 5,000 अशी फिगर इन्सर्ट केली असेल. ओके, 5,000 अशी फिगर इन्सर्ट केली असेल तर 5,000 कॅश तुम्हाला मिळते. बरोबर आहे, 5,000 कॅश तुम्हाला मिळते. ओके, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू हॅव रिसीट, प्रिंटेड रिसीट, देन दे प्रोव्हाइड यू द प्रिंटेड रिसीट. इज इट? ओके, आता हे जे आपण प्रोसिजर बघितली टू विड्रॉ कॅश फ्रॉम द ATM, ओके, ही जी प्रोसिजर बघितली, इफ यू फेल अ सिंगल स्टेप, पिन तुम्ही समजा इनकरेक्ट पुटअप केला, ओके, अमाऊंट समजा अप्रोप्रिएट प्रोव्हाइड केली नाही, कारण की बघा, इन द डिनॉमिनेशन ऑफ 100, ओके, असं जेव्हा तिथं लिहिलं जातं, इन द डिनॉमिनेशन ऑफ 100 असं जेव्हा तिथं लिहिलं जातं, ओके, म्हणजे 100च्या पटीमध्ये तुम्हाला अमाऊंट तिथं पुटअप करायला लागते. ओके, समजा एखाद्याने 2,875 असं लिहिलं तर ते ट्रान्झॅक्शन फेल जाऊ शकतं, राईट? ओके, नाव इफ तिथं लिहिलं असेल इन द डिनॉमिनेशन ऑफ 100, आणि तुम्ही अशी ऑड फिगर त्याच्यामध्ये पुटअप केली असेल, येस, व्हॉट विल हॅपन? येस, युअर ट्रान्झॅक्शन विल गो फेल. आणि ॲज अ कस्टमर व्हॉट वी डू, हे बँकच उपयोगाची नाही, हे ATMच उपयोगाचं नाही, अशा प्रकारे आपण बोलू शकतो, राईट? किंवा बोलतो शक्यतो. So this is encounter error. Okay, if you fail to remember the steps in service process, okay, then the resolution errors. Okay, resolution errors. What is the resolution errors? See, Resolution errors include failure of customers to signal service failures, learn from experience, adjust expectation, or execute appropriate post encounter action. Okay, see, while getting the signals in the sense, okay, if you have used a service, okay, and due to some reasons the service has gone fail, okay, and the customer, okay, the customer, if they are not, is it, they are not in the position to listen to the service provider, is it, for example, okay, काही कारणामुळे the food which was provided to you, if it is lacking the taste which last time you have experienced, ओके, जी लास्ट टाईम तुम्ही त्या फूडची चव घेतलेली त्याप्रमाणे समजा त्याची चव नेक्स्ट टाईम लागली नाही, ओके, अँड यू रिपोर्टेड टू द सर्विस प्रोव्हायडर अँड सर्विस प्रोव्हायडर एक्सप्लेन टू यू, ओके, काय काय नेमकं झालं, ओके, अँड दे अपोलॉजिस यू, इज इट, असं केल्यानंतरसुद्धा इज इट, काय काय वेळेस कस्टमर्स ऐकतच नाहीत. Such type of errors, they are included in resolution errors, okay. Then the reasons of failure of service, okay, reasons of service failure, okay. Let's see what are the different reasons due to which your service may go fail, okay. See, there are 8 reasons due to which your service may go fail, okay. So let's see. First one is ignoring important communication channels, okay, ignoring important communication channels, okay. See, if okay, for the communication nowadays, for the communication, if still you are using the traditional methods of communication, is it, if you are not using the social media, if you are not using the websites, okay, if you are not using the emails for marketing, yes, okay, your service may go fail, because nowadays in this 21st century, is it, if you are not using the social media and you are not doing the marketing through the social media, then your service may go fail. Then not personalize your customer service, okay, not personalize your customer service means what? See, if okay, if you are not able to personally contact your customer, ओके, तुम्ही स्वतः सर्विस प्रोव्हायडर जर डायरेक्टली कस्टमरला तुम्ही सर्विस प्रोव्हाइड करत नसाल, ओके, then what will happen? It will go fail. The service may go fail, okay. Dispense with quality after sales, okay, means, see, after sales service, they play a very important role, okay, because if you ignore your old customers, okay, and if you only welcome the new customers, okay, it will not be entertained, okay. The old customers are also that important, okay. With them the new customers should also be handled, okay. So if you are not able to provide good after sales service, yes, then your service providing or service as a service provider, you may go fail, okay. Then not solve your customers problem. See, customer carrying their grievances, they approach you, right. त्यांचे काही कस्टमर्सचे काही ग्रीव्हन्सेस असतील, काही कंप्लेंट्स असतील, ते कंप्लेंट्स घेऊन ते तुमच्याकडे आलेले आहेत, ओके. अँड इफ यू डोंट लुक आफ्टर देम, then what will happen? Yes, if you don't look after them, then what will happen? Surely your service provision will go fail. That's it. Then dismissing the feedback received, okay, means you have taken follow from the customers, okay. बघा, शक्यतो आजकाल हॉटेलमध्ये किंवा कॅफेजमध्ये काय केलं जातं, ओके, फूड कॅफेज, काय केलं जातं आफ्टर यू कन्झ्युम द फूड, ओके, आफ्टर यू पे द बिल अँड ऑल, दे आस्क यू फॉर द फीडबॅक. ओके, एका छोट्या स्नॅप नोट्स टाईपमध्ये, ओके, स्टिकी नोट्स तुम्हाला प्रोव्हाइड केले जातात. त्याच्यावरती तुम्ही तुमचा फीडबॅक लिहायचा असतो. अननोन नावाने असेल किंवा नोन नावाने असेल. ओके, यू कॅन मेन्शन युअर नेम ऑर यू इफ यू डोंट वॉन्ट टू मेन्शन युअर नेम then also it is okay. Now you have collected the feedback, okay, and in your feedback, okay, they have mentioned some of the queries, okay, and in the next time whenever they will be revisiting your center, okay, they think that you have improvised what they have suggested, okay, and still if you have not improvised, then your service providing or service provision will go fail, is it? Then not keep up with trends and innovations in your field, okay, means what? See, as per the changes in the market, if you are not upgrading your service provision, surely you might go fail. Okay, then forgetting to monitor customer satisfaction level. Okay, see, if you are running your organization, yes, lastly, what you should be doing? Yes, you should be always, okay, you should always thinking about customer satisfaction. Okay, so once in a while if you check the customer satisfaction, is it okay? No, it is not okay. Okay, timely, after a specific interval, what you are supposed to do? Yes, you are supposed to check the customer satisfaction level. Okay, if you forget to do this, the customer will forget your brand. Okay, then improve your customer service by avoiding serious mistakes. Okay, what you are required to do? Yes, you are required to upgrade, improve the customer service, okay, without any mistake. Okay, if you commit so many mistakes and errors into your service provision, surely what will happen? Yes, your organization will go fail. Okay, then let's see the different elements of an effective service recovery system. See the elements of effective service recovery system. Okay, on your screen you are able to see, yes, you are able to see the different things, okay, which are mentioned into the diagram, which is very important, okay, through which you can recover the service. Okay, see, there are 3 steps primarily, which are this. Okay, see, first of all we should do the things in a right way. Then, but if it is not possible, then what we should do? Yes, identify the problems. Okay, then it surely will lead to, yes, customer satisfaction and loyalty. Okay, one by one we will go through the steps. Okay, do it right first time. What it means? Okay, do it right first time means that at the initial stage itself, okay, a marketer, what he should do? Yes, he should take a effort to give whatsoever is right. Okay, then the second thing, identification of the problem. Okay, if due to some reasons, if the service which you are providing, if it goes fail, yes, identify the root cause of it and work on it. Okay, and if you receive any complaint, you should look at the complaint as opportunity and develop some strategy to overcome such type of complaints. Then to resolve problems effectively. When the problem is identified, okay, try to solve the problem or resolve the problem in such a way that, okay, uh, it will be definitely 100% solved. Okay, however, a general approach which is applicable in most of the cases is, see, first identify the problem, then develop the alternatives, evaluate the alternatives, select the alternatives, implement it, have the feedback. Okay, then learn from the past experience. Okay, learn from the past experience. What it means, see, in the past, okay, if you have experienced something, okay, if you have experienced something, then what you should do, yes, in that past, what action you have taken, okay, remember it. Okay, it will always be helpful for you, to increase your efficiency at work. Okay, then it is surely it leads towards customer satisfaction. Okay, now let's see the different guidelines for effective service recovery. Okay, see, there are 10 points which we will be considering, okay, if you want to effectively recover the service. Okay, see, first one is prompt action. Okay, if the complaint is made during service delivery, then time is of essence to achieve a full recovery. Okay, whenever the complaints are made after the fact, many companies have established policies of responding as soon as possible. Even when full resolution is likely to take longer, fast acknowledgement remains very important. Okay, immediately whenever you recover, okay, whenever you get complaints, okay, you should be taking actions on it as soon as possible. Okay, so the first thing which you should do to recover the service, yes, prompt action. Then admit mistakes but don't be defensive. Okay, see, be aggressive, okay, but you should not defend. Okay, acting defensively may suggest that the organization has something to hide, okay, or is reluctant to fully explore the situation. Therefore, one should be aggressive in his approach. Okay, see, you should, yes, you should be clear with your side. Okay, you should always, yes, you should always be keen at proving your side. Yes, you should always be keen at proving your side. Okay, but you should not defend it. Okay, you should not preserve something, you should not reserve something from the customers. Okay, then to see and understand the problem from customer's point of view. Okay, see, if the customer has experienced something, okay, and they have admitted it to you, okay, try to think from the customer's viewpoint. Okay, see, service personnel should avoid jumping to conclusions with their own interpretations. Okay, always you should look at the situations from the customer's viewpoint. Okay, so that you will understand it and it will be easier for you to work on it. Then participative environment. The goal should always be to reach at a mutually acceptable solution, not to win a debating contest or prove that a customer is an idiot. Arguing gets in the way of listening and seldom diffuses anger. Okay, try to understand the customer's feelings. Okay, the employees must develop an attitude, I can understand why you are upset. Okay, such kind of thing. This would help in building a rapport and is the first step in rebuilding a bruised relationship. Give customers the benefit of the doubt. Not all customers are truthful and not all the complaints are justified. The customers should be treated as though they have a valid complaint until clear evidence to the contrary emerges. If a lot of money is at stake, careful investigation is warranted. If the amount concern is small, then it may not be worth over to refund it or other compensation. If there is a past history of complaints by the same customer, it is better to go in detail about the past records. Then open system to solve the problems. Okay, you should be having an open system through which, yes, you should take the corrective actions for the problems. Okay, and yes, it also sets expectations as to time frame. Then feedback to customers about progress. Okay, nobody should be kept in the dark. Uncertainty breeds anxiety and stress. Okay, see what you are doing. Okay, what are the steps which you have taken. Okay, you should clear it with the customers. Then envisaged compensation either by the monetary form or by equivalent services. Okay, when customers did not receive the service, okay, when the customer did not receive the service as per the commitments or suffered serious inconvenience because the service failed, then either a monetary payment of offer or equivalent service in kind should be provided. Such action may also be helpful to reduce the risk of legal action to be taken by the customer. Service guarantees often lay out in advance. In many cases, what customers want most is an apology and a commitment to avoid similar problems in the future. Then disappointment of customer due to service failure. Of course, okay, the service, if it is not provided properly, there will be disappointment from the customer's side. One of the biggest challenges is to restore the confidence of the customer to maintain the relationship for the future. This may be helpful for the preservance and to follow through, not only to diffuse their anger but also to convince them that actions are being taken to avoid a repetition of such type of problems. Okay, the recovery efforts should be made effectively in building loyalty and referrals. Okay, so in this way we conclude today's lecture. Thank you.